course navigation, go ahead and click on Modules. You may find that in some of your courses, your instructor has set the modules as the home page. The purpose of the module is to house course content such as gradable assignments, pages, and files. Some instructors use modules to organize the course. Modules may control the entire flow of the course along with its content using customizable prerequisites and requirements. If a module includes requirements, the header shows whether you are supposed to complete all requirements or select a requirement. Next to the module item, you can view the type of requirement necessary to complete that item. You must complete all required module items before you can progress to the next module. Some modules require you to complete the module items in sequential order. In this example, the student has already completed 2 module requirements and needs to complete this assignment by viewing it before they can access the quiz. Since the requirement for this module is just to view the page, the student can go ahead and click Next, and now they can take the quiz. It's useful to identify content in Canvas. These 3 items are gradable content. You can see this by their point value displayed along with their due dates. Notice that each of these items have a unique icon representing the content. These icons represent these assignment types throughout Canvas. This top item is a quiz, represented by a rocket. This is a gradable discussion by 2 comment boxes. This page with a pencil is a submission assignment. These 2 items are not graded. This item represents a content page, while this item represents a link to an external website that may be related to your course.